Happy evening, brothers and sisters. Thank you for joining our Zoom meeting today. My name is Madan, replacing Mr. Ari for today's business opportunity meeting. Before I go further into my presentation, I would like to ask a few questions to all of you. Question number one, how many of you are still writing letters, go to post office, buy a stamp, place it on the cover and post it? How many of you? Can anybody say, are you still doing that? If you say yes, I'm telling you, you are really in different level at this era. I'm quite sure none of us are doing that now, right? Why? Because the message you want to deliver from one end to another are reaching within a split seconds nowadays. Thanks to the latest technologies such as email, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, WeChat, and etc. etc. All right. There's somebody. Okay. Those who are joining, please unmute yourself. When there's a question answer session, you can unmute and ask question. All right. Okay. So let me go to my second question. All right. What is my second question? How many of you are still? How many of you are doing online shopping? Okay. I'm quite sure some of the participants here already doing online shopping. Online shopping has become more easier and trendy nowadays. Just name it. Anything is possible to buy via online, just sitting at home or office, especially at this pandemic season where the world is scared to go out for shopping. Am I right? I think so. All right. So now question number 3. How many of you are still queuing up at the taxi stand to take a cab? I believe there are
No one.
No one. Yeah, but still there is one or two, I believe, still doing that. But majority of us are taking Uber, Ola, Grab, and etc. etc. Depends on their own country. By sitting at home, you can book a car with reasonable rate, and that car will come to your doorstep to fetch you. Awesome, right? Right. So now I ask you 3 questions, and I already answered all the 3 questions on behalf of you because I already muted all of you. Right? So, okay, back in 1970s or 1980s, if you say your message can be delivered within a second, or you booked a cab and it fetched you at the doorstep, or you said you bought food without going to a restaurant, do you think people will believe that? But it's happening now. How is this possible? That's what we call evolution. Thanks to internet. Even though you see the internet was found in the early year 1900, okay, 1900, the online world took more recognizable form only in 1990s, yeah? In only 1990s after the WWW, World Wide Web, was invented, right? Ever since that, everything you are seeing today have gone through evolution and made our life easier. In short, I will say the world is in your palm now. I think you'll believe with me, you'll agree with me and you'll believe that everything has become digitalized in 2020. When I say everything, it is everything. Some already changed, some are changing slowly. So our fiat currency also going through this phase and slowly moving into digital currency, and that is cryptocurrency. You got it? Our fiat currency is slowly moving into digital currency, and that is cryptocurrency. All right. One may ask, what is cryptocurrency? When you see cryptocurrency, it is a digital currency. The first ever cryptocurrency was launched in the year of 2009 by the gentleman named Satoshi Nakamoto. All right. Maybe the man's name or it is maybe nickname. Until now, nobody knows the existence of Satoshi Nakamoto because that's the beauty about this blockchain system. All right. So when that particular person come forward and say, look, listen, this is me, Satoshi Nakamoto, and prove to yourself, then only we can believe. Until now, the world is believed Satoshi Nakamoto is the owner of Bitcoin. Okay, the value of the first Bitcoin transaction when was negotiated by 2 individuals. Yeah, okay, in the Bitcoin forum, where 10,000 Bitcoin is used to purchase only 2 pizzas and delivered by Papa John's. Okay, can you believe that? 10,000 Bitcoins used to purchase only 2 pizzas. Okay, even in July 2010, July 2010, the Bitcoin price was less than 10 cents per 10 cents USD, less than 10 cents. Just imagine if that point of time you have bought 1,000 Bitcoin for just 100 USD, you are multi-millionaire now. Because now you can see the Bitcoin value is 11,715 USD in just 10 years. Amazing, right? Okay, this is what's happening in the cryptocurrency world. Okay, why these cryptocurrencies have a wonderful market? We said a good market. Just that because blockchain technologies are, whatever cryptocurrencies, they're using blockchain technologies and decentralization. Now, what is blockchain? Okay, to put in a short and brief, I will say blockchain is a technology where all the transaction will be recorded block by block. There is no overriding in it. If you have done a transaction in it, it will save as a block. Say another transaction, another block, another transaction, another block. And it will grow in the internet, in the cloud, and nobody can do anything, can amend, they can't amend or cannot do anything, even the owner by himself. Okay, and all the transactions are very, very transparent. Anybody can go and view that. So there is no way of anybody cheat you over here. All right. So if you want to ask me what is blockchain, actually blockchain, you ask me, I will say it is like an ocean. Okay, there's a lot of information. If I want to talk about it, this 1 hour presentation is not enough. So what my humble request, please Google yourself, do your own research. Okay, that is about blockchain. Okay, then the next part is a decentralization. What is decentralization? Okay, decentralization, when look at it, it is came from the root word centralize. When I say centralize, it means some entity will have the control of our transactions. In example, banks. Okay, say whenever the banks, they have all this, for in a country, they'll have a central bank, which the central bank will control all the ledgers, all the transaction of the other banks. Then goes to, like, for instance, the big companies, they'll have a HQ. HQ will control all the branches. But in cryptocurrency, we say it is a decentralized. When you say decentralized, it is the decentralized word is the just opposite of centralized. That means you are managing your own account by yourself. You will manage your own account, your ledger by yourself. Nobody will control and ask any question on that. All right. Furthermore, nobody can cheat you or lie because it is a transparent in a blockchain. Awesome, right? Okay. If I want to talk about the benefit of the cryptocurrency, as I said, it is definitely will take hours, more than hours. So I'm just advising you, and I'm requesting you, humble request, please go to Google, search and learn by yourself what is blockchain, what is a decentralization, what is a smart contract, and all that. Is a lot of articles available in Google. Whatever I'm telling you, okay, I did my research. I go into Google, I get the information, I'm passing to you. Okay, I can only pass the basics information to you. Whatever the further more knowledge, you can gain it direct from the Googles. All right. Okay. Now, there are more than 6,000 over cryptocurrencies in the world and more than 8,900 crypto ATMs in the world. Okay. Okay. In that case, okay, I want to introduce you 10 top cryptocurrencies at the moment. Okay, what I will do now, I'll go to the Google. Okay, I'll share Google screen and I'll show you what are the cryptocurrencies. Okay, all right. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. This is a Google, yeah, Google. When I type the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world, okay, can view that Google, right? Anybody?
Yes, yes.
Okay, superb. See, when I type the top 10 cryptocurrencies, I can see here Bitcoin still number 1. Number 2 is Ethereum. Number 3, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, and it goes. All right. So out of just now how many cryptocurrencies I said, we have how many coins earlier I said? More than 6,000 over cryptocurrencies. But out of this, these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies. All right. Now let's look at our Bitcoin. This is again, I am in the Google. You look at it. Okay, this is Google Exchange. Whenever Google Exchange, some of you definitely would have traveled overseas and all that. Normally, we use this Google Exchange to check their rates. Okay, you can check, okay, for instance, you can check INR. Okay, you can check any Australian dollars to INR is how much. Okay, Malaysian dollars how much, you can check. But our ignorance, even me, before I come into this field, I never really check on whether the Bitcoin is there, Ether is there. That is my ignorance. And same, I believe a lot of people never check that. So when this Google Exchange already have a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash inside it, that means it's globally accepted. I hope you agree with me. Okay, this is check on it. So now Bitcoin is valued at 11,730 per Bitcoin. USD, yes, 11,730 USD per Bitcoin. Okay, that's a very expensive. Am I right? Okay, let us check Ethereum. When I type Ethereum to USD, this is the amount I'm getting: 424 USD for per Ethereum. You got it? Okay, now my question now. So now my question now, okay, see, how are we gonna earn, how are we gonna make money, how are we gonna become rich using this Bitcoin or Ethereum? For me, my personal advice, if you go on a Bitcoin, is of course, if you got money, then it's good, but it's a very expensive. What we can do, we target the second one, which is Ethereum. All right. So those who have money, all right, what they can do, they can buy Ethereum in bulk. All right, they can buy Ethereum in bulk and they can keep it, because Ethereum now at a rank at 2, and the pundits are telling it may increase 5 to 10 times by next year. So what we can do, those who got money, they can buy Ethereum in bulk and keep it in their wallet, crypto wallet. They keep in the crypto wallet and sell it next year. Definitely, that's a very good investment and can they make money. But my question now, okay, how about those who don't have that much of holding power? That means don't have that much of cash to buy and keep it with them. Okay, so they still want to earn money, or they still want to be the same level wherever they are now. All right, so there are a lot of solutions. Okay, we still can earn Ethereum. Okay, that's where I am coming in. All right, okay, right. So let me share with you, there are many decentralized apps are running in blockchain using smart contracts to earn Ethereum. When I say decentralized app, or we also can say DApp, with smart contracts mean the app by itself is decentralized with fixed rules and already uploaded in blockchain technology, where there is no amendments or alteration can be done in that particular application, even the owner by himself. So these kind of applications are really safe, and it's really safe to invest or to work on it. All right. Let me introduce a smart contract application that I found it really interesting and personally believe this particular program or application will lead me to gain my financial freedom. Okay, that's another word, financial freedom. Okay, when I say financial freedom, you are no more paying any loans like housing loan, car loan, credit card loan, and etc. etc. Say you are at a shopping and you're comparing price for a shirt, for instance. I'm sure you are still haven't reached your financial freedom. Am I right? Right? Okay. Right. Let's see how this is possible via a decentralized app, which is I want to share with you. Right? Okay. Just a minute. I share my screen. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen? Anybody? Thumbs up, please.
Yes, can.
Can see, yeah? All right. Okay, this particular decentralized application is named as a Mindtree crowdfunding program powered by Global Crypto Network. All right. Okay. There are 4 criteria you need to join this Mindtree program. This is a crowdfunding program, no? So you need 4 criteria. Okay, first criteria, you need to have a smartphone, either Android or iPhone you need to have, all right? Second criteria, you need to have a fast internet, which is, I believe, most of us are equipped with fast internet. Number 3, we need to have either Trust Wallet or Huobi Wallet. This is what I'm suggesting. But there are some many more wallets, crypto wallets available, but you got to check it that whether that particular wallet support the decentralized app, support the DApp. All right. So you can choose your own crypto wallet. There's no harm on it. All right. Then you need to have minimum 0.09 Ethereum. Here I put 0.09 Ethereum or more in your wallet. In fact, in our particular program, Mindtree program, we just need 0.07 Ethereum. But why we ask you to put more? Because we are actually, there is a what we call mining fees, a network fees. It varies, depends on the time. Okay. For that, I advise you, please check on gcn.live, where we're already mentioning how much the gas fees is the right gas fees to put for us to get registered in particular our Mindtree program. All right. Okay. There somebody is helping me to put it, what we call, highlight it. Okay. Let me. Okay, please don't do anything to the slide. All right. It'll be disturb my presentation. Okay, anyway. Okay, we go. These are the two wallets just now. I say Trust Wallet and Huobi Wallet. These are the logos of that. And Trust Wallet you can use only on your Android phone. Huobi Wallet you can use either either in Android phone, also in Apple phone. That's the difference with it, right? And you can have both the wallets also. There's no harm in it. You can use that when you registered. When you registered first, they'll give you the mnemonic key phrase. Mnemonic phrase they call it. Okay, they'll give you, depends on the wallet. They give 12, 16 or something like that. So what you got to do, you have to copy that. Okay, you'll paste import in another wallet. So you'll have the same account in 2 wallets where you can check always whenever you want to put ID or you want to level up, you can check which one is cheaper network, you can use that. All right. These are the 2 wallets which is I'm proposing. All right. Next, okay, to join the system, we already fulfill all these 4 criteria. Now, what you need next is a referral ID from your upline. Okay, so the referral ID from your upline is very, very important to register into the system. Okay, who will give you? Somebody who brought you to this Zoom, or somebody who will talk to you about this particular program. Okay, he will give you your referral ID. All right, once you have a referral ID, next you come to this. All right, let me explain to you. Okay, this is you. All right, when this is you, what you do? Okay, you already have a referral ID. Okay, you already have a referral ID. What do? You pay 0.07. All right, where the 0.07 will go to the person who brought you to this particular program, where he will be your level 1 upline. All right, he will be your level 1 upline. All right, after you pay 0.07, after you join, automatically you are in level 1. Automatically you are in level 1. Once you already level 1, okay, that means you already joined the system with 0.07. That 0.07 already passed up to level 1 upline, and you already level 1. What happens next is you see level 1 downline. Your level 1 downline here, these are the place where your possible income gonna come. What you have to do is you recruit 2 level 1 downline partners. Okay, you recruit 2 level 1 downline partners. What these people do, they will do the same thing what you did. They will, when join, they'll become level 1. Okay, what they'll do, they'll pay 0.07 to you, like what you did. Okay, the other person also will pay you will pay you 0.07. Okay, so when this happens, how much you earn now? 0.14. How much you paid just now? 0.07 one time. But now, since you have recruited 2 level 1 downline partner, now you already have 0.14 Ethereum. What we gonna do? We already earned 0.14 Ethereum. Okay, let's go back. We go back, sleep. Enough. We already made our money. Am I right? Okay. Is that enough? That is not our aim. Our ultimate aim is not this, is a much more bigger. It is bigger than our whatever you are thinking. See 0.14, you already earned 0.14. What you do from this, you pay 0.12 Ethereum to buy level 2. That level 2, you need to purchase from level 2 upline. You need to purchase from level 2 upline because you are buying level 2. When you buy level 3, you need to purchase from level 3 upline. That system is created such a way. You know why. Okay, later you know when you go to entire plan, you know why the system is created such a way, how beneficial is that particular system. So when you pay 0.12 to level 2 upline, what happened to you? Because you're buying what? So you already become level 2. Okay. When you become level 2, you are already open your opportunity to earn income from level 2 downline because you are their level 2 upline. You got it? Okay, how many people will be there? 4 people. Okay. Just now 2 people. These 2 people bring each 2. Now we have 4 people. How much just now you pay? 0.12, right? To buy level 2. So now how many people here? 4 people will buy level 2 from you. You understand? All right? You must level up to level 2 first in order for you to sell the level 2 to level 2 downline. You need to have a mango if somebody want to buy mango from your shop. You got it? If you don't have, you need to go and buy and keep it in your shop. Then only they can come to your shop and buy the mango from you. Am I right? The same thing. For you to sell the level 2 to somebody, you need to level up to level 2 or you need to buy the level 2 from your level 2 upline and keep it with you. You got it? That's the easier term I can explain to you. All right, now you have 4 people, right? So from the 4 people, what happened? Okay, the 4 people will pay you 0.12. Likewise, you paid 0.12 for your level 2. These 4 people will pay you 0.12. That means 4 people 0.12, you'll earn 0.48 Ethereum. From this 0.48 Ethereum, what we do, we pass or we buy, use 0.24 Ethereum, buy level 3 from level 3 upline. All right, we buy level 3 from level 3 upline. Why? Because you want to earn money from level 3 downline partner. You got it? So what do? You pass or you buy using 0.24 Ethereum, you become level 3. Once you become level 3, as I said, level 3 downline, it's open for you to earn. All right. How many people will be there? 4 become 8, each 2. All right. These 8 people, when look at it, how much just now you pay 0.24 one time, right? But here 8 people, 0.24, they will pay you, you'll earn 1.92 ETH. Okay. Okay, once you earn 0.2 for each 8, 1.92. From this, what do? You know you are in level 3. So from this income, is it enough? Not enough. Okay, our aim is different. So what we do from 1.92, we use 0.96, half of this amount. Use that to purchase level 4. When we purchase level 4 from level 4 upline, here our level 4 downline, we have how many people? Now 16 people. 16 people will pay you 0.96. Okay. When 16 people pay 0.96, 15.36 your income. From this, what you do? Okay. From this 15.36, you use 3 Ethereum to buy level 5. Use 3 Ethereum to buy level 5. When you use 3 Ethereum to buy level 5 downline partners will give you each 3 Ethereum, which is there will be 16 people, 32 people. So the 32 people will pay you 3 Ethereum each. So total you will earn 96 Ethereum in level 5. Okay, from level 5, 96 Ethereum your income. So what do you do? From this, take 10 Ethereum, you buy level 6 from level 6 upline partner. Okay, so now you already level 6. So where your income will come from? So you're already level 6. Your level 6 downline partner. How many people will be there? 64 people. How much you pay just now? 10 Ethereum. Likewise, all the 64 people will pay you 10 Ethereum each, which will total up to 640 Ethereum. All right? Awesome, right? Okay. This is a summary. This is a summary. Okay. When I say summary from foundation, you should look at it. Level 1, when you join level 1, you pay 0.07. 2 people will pay you 0.07 Ethereum. 0.14 Ethereum you will earn. Level 2, from this money, this Ethereum, you'll pay 0.12 to buy level 2. 4 people will pay you 0.12 to buy level 2, 0.48 Ethereum you will earn. From 0.48, 0.24 you will use to buy level 3. 8 people will buy level 3 from you, total 1.92 Ethereum. All right. From this, you pay level 4. Okay, you level up to level 4 using 0.96. 16 people will pay you 0.96. 15.36 Ethereum you'll earn. All right. You already earn 15.36. You use 3 Ethereum to level up to or to buy level 5. 32 people will buy level 5, and the total sum will be 96. From 96 Ethereum, 10 Ethereum you will pay to buy level 6. 64 people will buy from you 10 Ethereum, 640 Ethereum. Total sum is 753.9 Ethereum you will earn. Okay. All right. So there's another one normally we'll say this entire system you have to renew for 77 days. Oh my God, why these people suddenly ask me 77 days? You think the company want to make money. That's why some people say, okay, you must understand there's no company involved in the system. This is a crowdfunding program you playing among ourselves where you play with the person on top of you and bottom of you. All right. So just pass on the money. It's a crowdfunding. All right. Okay. In the system, you only say when you renew 77 days, why they have this kind of system? They say 77 days because the creator of this program already decide, they already studied the program such a way so where we, those people who already work very hard, our heart and soul, already arranged this, our people. Okay, when you look at it from number level 1 to level 6, so 2 people, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay, total up how many people we have? 126 people. These 126 people is our people. They'll be under you until the internet dies. Why I say until the internet dies? Blockchain system will last long until the internet dies. When you say the internet cannot die, that's it. Our program also won't die. That's what I'm trying to say. So what will happen? Only the first initial you'll find the under 26 people, correct? So actually what you got to do is you find the 2 right people under you. These 2 people will do the same thing what you have done. Then these under 26 people you will achieve within how many days? All right. Just you need to have a dynamic people. You need to have a trustworthy people. So what I'm trying to say, the 2 people who are choosing is very, very important. Then they must do whatever you duplicate, whatever you do. All right. So once this under 26 people, they cannot remove anybody because this is a blockchain system. Blockchain system says what? Once it's already in the system, you cannot revert back, cannot do any amendment. All right. So for that, what will happen in that under 26 people? Definitely there's a 1, 2 people, they won't do work. Okay. Or they after 77 days, they won't renew. What will happen to that system? All right. We have a compression system where they already set such a way we still make money. Okay, how is it? I will explain to you in next coming slides, which is we call it compression system. All right. So before we go there, okay, why these 77 days is very simple. After we create the under 26 people, then we renew. When we renew, what happened? Again, we gonna pay the 0.07 to our first level upline, and we're gonna receive from first level downline. 2 people will pay. Again, you'll pay one time 0.12 for your second level upline. 4 people from second level downline will pay you. Again, you're going to pay one time 0.24. 8 people will pay you 0.24. So this is a recurring income. Okay, wonderful, right? Okay, this will go on like this. Okay, maybe the first cycle, first 77 days, if you ask me, can I achieve the 753 Ethereum? I said it's very, very difficult. It's a very, very difficult to achieve the 753 Ethereum within the 77 days. So, but when they come like second cycle, 77 days, third cycle of 77 days, fourth cycle of 77 days, I'm telling you 753 Ethereum is a small. You can earn more than it. How are you going to earn more than it? I'm going to explain in our compression system later. All right. By calculation, they've already done a presentation. They say 753 Ethereum. That's what we can see. But there's a lot more, whatever we cannot see. The depth is that much. Okay, I'm going to explain to you later. Okay, now we already earned 753 Ethereum, but in fact, actually, because 753 Ethereum minus off, we already paid 0.07, 0.12, 0.24, 0.96, 3 Ethereum, 10 Ethereum. Minus of everything, we would have our profit is 739.51 Ethereum, which is equivalent to at the moment USD 289,762. All right, that's a lot, right? Okay, but again, I'm telling this is only foundation. This is only foundation. For instance, okay, you want to buy a leather boots for your kids, okay, football shoe, okay, or you want to buy expensive cricket bat for your kids. First, you buy a small, cheap one, all right? So the same thing happening here, right? Okay, so this is our foundation. From foundation, how we gonna do premium? We gonna level up. We can go into premium. The same under 26 people only will be there. But okay, we already earn about 739 Ethereum. Say you never earn 739. It doesn't matter whatever amount you earn, maybe 100 Ethereum, 200 Ethereum, doesn't matter. From there, just take 20 Ethereum. Take this 20 Ethereum, you go to premium level 1. Okay, you go to premium level 1. When you are already put 20 Ethereum become level 1, what happened? Remember that just now the grid I show you. Okay, two people will be under you. That two people will pay you 20 Ethereum. You do the same thing. It's a matter of it's a duplication. All right. When you pay 20, two people pay 20. When you pay the second level, you pay 30 Ethereum. From 40 Ethereum you earn. You can see here. Okay, then what will happen? Four people pay you 30 Ethereum, you earn 120 Ethereum. From 120 Ethereum, what do? You pay only 40 Ethereum to level up to level 3. Then 8 people will buy level 3 from you, paying 40 Ethereum, 320 Ethereum is your income. From 320 Ethereum, you pay 60 Ethereum to buy level 4. This level 4, where you are buying from level 4 upline, yeah? Okay, so then 16 people will pay you 60 Ethereum, you will earn 960 Ethereum. From there, all right, you buy level 5 using under 20 Ethereum, then 32 people will pay you under 20 Ethereum, 3,840 Ethereum. Then level 6, you are going to use 240 Ethereum from 3,840 Ethereum. 64 people pay you 240 Ethereum. We're going to earn 15,360 ETH. Total up is 20,640 Ethereum, right? So this is the net profit at 20,130 Ethereum, which is comes about USD 7,887,537. All right. Okay. See, my question is very simple. Okay. This looks very big. Okay. Is it legitimate? Yes, it is legitimate. It's a basically only calculation. All right. The person who created this particular program have done wonderful calculation. This is really, really viable. Okay, that's what I've seen this. Okay, for instance, the 20,130, there's 100% success rate. Just tell it, it's 20% success rate. It's already 4,000 Ethereum. What is the amount of 4,000 Ethereum now? That's itself, it's a very, very huge, right? 10% success rate. It's already how much? It's already 2,000 Ethereum. 2,000 Ethereum. You are in India, you are in Malaysia. I'm actually already close to millions. I'm a millionaire. You got it, right? When we already make that much of Ethereum, then we can go to the crypto exchange, or we can play our currency exchange where you can buy and sell, like how rich people are doing. All right, name it. Lot of rich people, was successful people, they already playing all these cryptocurrencies. Okay, but only they're not sharing. But here there's opportunity for us to earn that Ethereum. We go and be the sit at the same table with all these successful people. All right. Okay, right. So now you already earn. Okay, that's not enough. Okay, 20,000 over Ethereum already earned. Then we got elite. Elite, from whatever amount you earn, you're going to pay 100 Ethereum to become a level 1. Two people will pay 100 Ethereum. Like that, the same way it goes until the 64. Other level 6, yeah, 64 people will pay you 2,000 Ethereum. You will earn 1,028,000. All right. So, okay, 1 million, yeah. Total is 1,071,200 Ethereum you're gonna earn. All right, all right. So you just calculate by yourself. Can calculate based on your current your country how much that will be. Okay, that much of amount you can earn. But now I'm advising everybody. All right, Elite, keep it aside first. Our target, let it be foundation. Okay, let we finish our foundation. All right, then we go our premium. We will complete our foundation and premium. By then, you will be expert enough, and you might become and advise me. Hello, bro, what you're talking? I will teach you how to play this game. Oh, sorry, not a game. It's a business. How to do this business, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. So once you finish elite, all right, there we go, all right, there we go. Just now I was telling about compression income, all right, how this will be play a big role in this mind tree, all right. Let's look at it, all right. Okay, see, this way, when you look at it, I marked X, all right. When marked X, that means this person is your third level downline. Say this person, okay, just stay with the level 2 or level 1. He never reach level 3. Or even each level 3 after 77 days. Remember, I say 77 days renew, you never renew. What will happen? Can we throw this person out of the system? We can't, because this is a blockchain system, right? So this person will remain there, but what will happen? The account will be inactive. When the account is inactive or is in level 2 or level 1, but is a level 3, is a level 3 downline, is level 3 upgradation, the amount, the income, which he have to pay to you, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, but here is inactive or is in level 2 or level 1. What will happen to him? Okay, you say this person doesn't pay. It's unfair, right? But the system made it such a way. Look at it. Okay, this you can see his third level downline. Who is this? How many people is there? 8 people altogether. These 8 people, when they buy level 3, okay, where the money supposed to go? Supposed to go to him, right? But what happened? Remember, I told you a story. If you want to sell a mango, you need to have a mango first. So you need to buy mango and keep it in the shop. Then only you can sell. So here, to sell the level 3, you need to have a level 3 first. But here, what happened? He don't have level 3. He's in level 2. Or he's already become inactive. Inactive means after 77 days, he never renew. So the money is supposed to go to him. Okay. Since he's inactive or is a level 2, the money cannot go to him. So what will happen? The company will take the money, right? Okay. No company, brother, sister, no company. All right, the money have to go to somebody. Who's that somebody? We'll jump to next 3. Who's that next 3? All right. Who's the next 3? It's you. It jump from here, 1, 2, 3. It jump by 3 by 3. That's the compression system. Just because the particular one person doesn't pay, here it's already open an opportunity for 8 people will pay you. Isn't it wonderful? Right? That is compression income, we call it. What will happen? 64, the sixth level, okay? The sixth level, you got 64 people, right? Each will pay you 10 Ethereum. That's one person doesn't work. Under him, the sixth level downline, we have a 64 people. And on each and every 64 people, we have another 64, the sixth level. So one person doesn't work. So how many of you under them the sixth level? 64 people. So one person doesn't pay the 10 Ethereum. 64 people are possibly will pay you the 10 Ethereum each, 640 Ethereum. Then you calculate by yourself, 739 Ethereum is easy to achieve or not. We are going to achieve more than it. We are going to achieve more than it. That's what I'm trying to say. This system, that particular application is wonderful, right? Wonderfully created. Okay. All right. That's about end of my presentation. Before I end up my presentation, I gonna share with, okay, we're gonna ask a question and answer session, obviously, which is every day Mr. Ali is doing that. Today, instead of Mr. Ali, I'm gonna do that, the question and answer session. I believe, I hope, I pray, I can answer all your questions. I already ready for that. For me, anybody will say, okay, I will say only thing, you just prepare whatever the weapons, okay, to attack me. Okay, I already have enough shield for me to answer you. All right, that's what I will say. Okay, before we go to the question and answer session, let me share to you one video which is really, really interesting. I found it interesting. Let I share with you. Okay, I said a short video. It is a short video, right? That video showed you what's the difference within a boss and a leader. All right. There is a lot of companies, MLMs with bosses around, where the main income, all right, the main benefit, they will take it. All right. Our leftovers only they leave it for all our followers. But here, leaders, okay, in our program, there is no boss, no company involved, only leaders. Okay, we are here to share the same amount of opportunity. What we are getting, we're going to give you the same opportunity. That means what's happening now. Even you come later, whatever amount I earn, you also got opportunity to earn the same amount. It's a totally different from multi-level marketing, where only the first level people will make enough money. The moment you join in the system, you can start, you can create your own empire to make enough Ethereum. That's what I'm trying to tell over here. All right. With that, I would like to end my presentation, but not our session today. So I open the floor for the question and answer sessions. Please, okay, please raise your hands. All right. I want to see some hands here. Then I will answer the questions. Any questions, please? Anybody, any questions?
Hello, this is Ajay Trivedi.
Okay, Mr. Mas. All right, Mr. Mas, please. Okay, unmute yourself. Yes, Mr. Mas. If possible, can I see you?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Mas. Where are you from? If you don't mind, I just
Hi.
take a sip of water, please. Sorry, yeah.
I'm from Bangalore.
Yes, Bangalore. Welcome. I'm from Malaysia. Please tell me.
Just a minute. I can't able to hear you. Just a minute, sir.
All
I'm
right,
not
sure.
able to hear you.
Yeah, don't worry. I already finished our presentation a bit early today. We got about 20 minutes. Okay, ample of time. Okay, while waiting for Mas, okay, Mr. Ajay Trivedi, I think Mr. Ajay want to ask me some question, all right?
Sir, let me put my...
Mr. Mas, are you there? Okay, Mr. Mas, just hold on, okay? I'll just finish with Mr. Ajay Trivedi. We don't waste any time, okay? All right, okay, you get ready first. Okay, okay, Mr. Ajay.
Yeah, Mr. Jairam, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I'm Madan, all right.
Okay.
Jairam is my father.
Okay. Sorry. I just want to know one thing.
Yeah.
The wallet which we will be creating,
Mm-hmm.
like we will be paying in our own currency and paying across.
Sorry?
Is whatever currency we use, like INR, USD, anything,
Okay.
while we pay that and buy this Ethereum,
Okay.
can we convert back those Ethereums into like if I need some money, urgency, and can it be used, taken out?
Yes, Mr. Ajay. That's a very simple. You know what happened now? That's a very common question everybody will ask. It's a very simple. Every country they have their own crypto exchange. All right, own crypto exchange. Okay, give me a second. I check what is the famous crypto exchange in India. It's available in Google. Yeah, so crypto exchange. Yeah, you just put crypto exchange in India. Exchange in India. Okay. See, you must be friend with Google. Google will be able to answer you a lot of questions. Yeah. Okay. Crypto exchange in India. All right. Crypto exchange. Top crypto exchange. We have
It is Geo2s. It is Geo2s.
Zero2 is there,
Yeah.
Binance is there, Vazis is there, Zeppay is there. These are the famous crypto exchanger in India. So what you got to do, you have to register with them. All right. So once you register with them, you can, whenever from your wallet, you park your money into their platform and you can sell it and you can withdraw. They will bang into your current any other accounts, bank account, then they will immediately bang into your account. Immediate. You can do it then. All right. A part of it, there's a lot of money changes available in some countries where you can connect with them, then you can go and see them in person and can change. You transfer the money into their account, then they'll pay you cash. This kind of system also available. So what you got to do is you must be a bit proactive. Just Google around, check what are the exchanges available in your country. All right.
Right. Thanks a lot.
Okay, Mr. Ajay. The next, Mr. Mas. Okay, I'll come back to you. I'm back to you. Mr. Mas,
Hi.
are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Which place are you from?
Yeah, I'm here. So, hello, sir. I'm from Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Regarding this crypto, what is yeah. So you were telling about it. The starting, the minimum, the investment, what you told for to buy something, you need to buy first and then you need to sell, right? So like example of mango, you gave me example of a mango. So like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
share, the share what we are going to buy. So what will be what will be the amount we are going to invest through
No,
this?
no, no. You see, Mr. Mas, you are only invested 0.07 minus of whatever the network fees. I don't want to talk about it because that's depends. That's varies depends on the day by day. That's set by the miners. When in our
Okay.
business, we only invest 0.07 Ethereum, right? That's
Yeah,
only our
yeah.
investment. With that, we're gonna earn, and from that, whatever we earn, we're gonna use that money to buy. I'm not encouraging anybody to
ठीक
take
है.
out any extra money from pocket. You understand or not? So that's what I say. From
Oh yeah, I got it.
0.07 Ethereum, you look at it, you in the foundation, you are earning about 700 over Ethereum. That's wonderful, right? That's why I say the program
Yeah,
is
correct.
super. Okay. So
Yes.
that's why I say for the level two,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
going to use from your, for level two, you learn 0.14 already in the wallet. Only use 0.12. But level
Yeah.
three, 0.24 you're going to pay. Okay. But 0.24 doesn't come from your pocket, brother. It's come from your earning. All right. So, but then from that earning, you make it a snowball. You understand or not? From snowball, you know how it works? From small, when you roll, become big. That's how it become big. Okay. You start with small investment. Right? Got it.
ठीक है.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions? Mr. Ajay again?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Ajay, I'll give you another chance.
I just
Okay.
maybe this will be a question for others also. I just want to know,
Okay.
do we need to add only 2 people or we can add as many as we can?
Okay, Mr. Ajay, very simple. The system is created such a way you are actually only allowed to put 2 people, but you can still put more people. But what will happen is they will go under the person under you. You understand now? So you can place it also, or it will auto place when you use your own ID. It will auto place under your the person where it's empty under your same grid. You understand? If not, you can place it. Okay, I want to put under this person, this person. By doing that, the income from that person 0.07 won't come to you. The system doesn't set such a way like that. But they will level up, they will buy bigger level from you. That's where the more money will come. So when you're doing that, you're growing your grid, you're helping your members. Okay, the system is created such a way like that. If you have any we help, definitely will gain. When you give, you will get. That is the system. All right. So the 2 people, after put 2 people, the third people you have to put under some any of your other friends.
Got it. That will benefit all the full network only.
All that. You will ultimately will benefit from that
That is
particular
correct.
person
That is
because
correct.
when you put under you, then he'll only pay you for level 1, 0.07. When you put him under your second level downline, that means he will pay you 0.112. You understand? When you
Right.
have that kind of people, so it goes. So that's why I say when somebody doesn't work, you don't need to worry. Needn't worry. What you do, you put another good working people under this. This is totally working platform. You must understand. This is not an investment platform where a lot of scams are going in investment platform. This, when you read it properly, you will 100% understand this is a working platform where whatever amount I'm telling is a legitimate and viable can make money. All right.
Right. Thanks.
Okay. Any other questions?
Hello.
Yes. Who's this? Please intro yourself.
Yeah, this is Ushang Vakil. Can you hear me?
Wu Sheng Vakil, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Wu Sheng Vakil. Okay, I can hear you. I can't see you, but anyway, it doesn't matter, Wu Sheng. Wu Sheng, huh? Wu Sheng Vakil. Yes, Wu Sheng Vakil. Please tell me.
Yeah, you should
What
see
is your
me now.
question?
Can you see me?
I can't see you.
The video is on.
Videos one.
Yeah. He's sitting around near the beach.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
anyways,
I saw you just now. You went missing 1 minute. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
The
Oh,
question is,
yeah. Nice beach behind you.
thank you. The question is, how do you start? I have downloaded the wallet, the
Okay.
Trust wallet.
Okay. Trust
What?
wallet. Yeah. You
Yeah,
have downloaded Trust wallet. Okay, good.
Trust wallet. Yeah, is that reliable? The Trust wallet?
Super
Good.
wallet. So you that means I suppose you're using I mean Android phone, right?
Yeah,
Okay, super. It will work well in Android phone.
and I already have a ZPay account with me.
Okay, good.
I've got some Bitcoin in that.
Okay.
Can I use that to sign up?
Obviously, what you do from there,
Yeah.
from ZPay, you can convert your sum of, you just buy a budget. For instance, I will tell you can buy even 0.15 Ethereum also. You can
Okay.
convert the Bitcoin into the Ethereum, right? In the ZPay.
Right.
From that, you already have your wallet address, Ethereum address from your Ethereum account, right? From your Trust wallet.
Yeah.
So you copy that particular Ethereum address, and from there ZPay you can send it that Ethereum, which is you bought using your Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
Okay. From there, Ethereum, you click on the Ethereum, then you copy this particular Ethereum address from a Trust wallet, paste it and send it to that. You will receive your particular Ethereum into your Trust wallet.
After that, the next step, how do I send it to my upline? Who is Mr. Jitendra?
Okay, your upline is Mr.
Jitendra. He's not here. I don't see
him. He's not there.
Yeah.
Okay, doesn't matter. That's fine. Okay, what will happen in that case? All right. So he will given you one referral ID. Am I right?
Sorry, what ID?
Referral ID.
Not yet.
He will never give. Go and ask him. Give me your referral ID. I'm gonna register. Okay. Okay. You know, Mr. Ocean King, I can give you a full explanation on this, but actually the problem is we have another 10 minutes. That's enough for a lot of questions to answer.
Right.
But this one, I'm sure Mr. Jitendra, right? Your upline.
I'm very much here.
Oh, where is
Mr. Jitendra, you're there? Okay,
Yes,
Mr. Jitendra, you know how to put an ID, how to register in our system?
Yes, I do, sir.
Okay, can you advise your friend here?
I will help. Yes.
Okay, right. You have any other questions, sir? You can ask me as part of registration, which is I feel very basic, which is anybody can teach you. I go into more deep questions. And I'm expecting cannons to shoot me, not a normal gundu, guli. Okay, I'm expecting cannons. Come on, give me more harder questions.
Yeah, basically, is in India, is it allowed to withdraw the cash?
Of course, sir. Of course, they're actually in India already in March already they allowed to do that. They already legalized the thing, and also whenever you go like all the ZPay and all that, they were already registered money changes, registered crypto exchanges. They're safe. They're safe.
Thank you.
Right? You have to check whenever you register with the exchanger. Please make sure they are registered. It is safe. Of course, there is a non-registered people also, but you have to take your own risk. All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ushang Vakil. Okay, right. Let's see. Any other question, guys? We have another 9 minutes to go.
Please, I have question.
Who's that, please?
My question is, can I give you my referral to you?
Sorry?
Can I give you my my link referral? Then you give me a leg or downline.
No, I didn't get your question.
He wants to join you.
Oh, you want to join me? I'm sure actually. See, it is okay, but the problem is very simple, sir. Okay, that's definitely there is somebody introduce you to this program, then only you came to this. Please follow that culture, because why? Whether you join under me, whether you join under anybody, you can create your own empire. Okay, they will guide you, but don't worry. Okay, anytime if your upline not supporting you, don't worry about it. Try to come to this kind of meetings. There'll be Mr. Ari will be conducting this meeting. Yeah, Mr. Ari. All right, you can ask him. If not, okay, you can ask my contact. Okay, I promise I will guide. Okay, for me it's a very simple. Wherever I am, it doesn't matter. This is a system. When you help somebody, will get it. I'm actually, for me, under me already have more than 6,000 over people at the moment now. Okay, I already have 6,000 over people. So for me, it is not a big deal. I just want to help everybody. You know what will happen? One point of time, I'm telling you, because you're renewing by 77 days, 77 days, 77 days. After 1-2 years, you won't believe. I tell you, every day there's some amount of Ethereum will come into your account, provided you are active, you're working on it. Okay, this is a platform. Again, I'm telling, it's a working platform. Don't ever think just because by putting some money, you're going to earn money. If you're thinking like that, I'll advise you, you buy some Ethereum and keep it in a wallet. When your value increase, you sell it. Okay, that's what I can advise. All right. Okay, please follow the culture. Please take the referral ID from the person who introduced to you. You follow the culture. All right. We must help each other. All right, guys. Okay, next person.
Hello, my question. My question is, can you help me for my referral?
Sorry, Ethereum.
Can you help me for my invite?
I didn't get what's your question. All right.
Okay. Can you help me for my invite? Because I don't. Yeah. Because I don't know how to invite people.
Invite people to the meeting.
Yeah, mine three.
Okay, what do you have to do? Okay, are you already registered in Mindtree?
Yes, I already registered.
Who is your upline?
My upline is Jun Lau. You know Jun Lau?
Okay, Jim Lau. Okay, you check with Jim Lau. Sure, he will teach you how to do that. Because when I teach you here, I think we are wasting time. We are trying to get more questions I can answer. Okay, this one, like how to take a referral ID. It's all very, very basics, which is any of your upline can teach you. Right?
So supposed to be upline can teach me.
It's very simple. Since you are really asking, I'm telling you very simple. You know how to log in into your dashboard, all right? If you know how to log into your dashboard using your Trust Wallet or whatever wallet, you go inside it, there'll be 3 lines, okay? 3 lines. When you click on it, you'll see partners. When you click on the partners, there you can see your affiliate ID. You copy that ID, you send it to whoever you want to recruit as a downline partner. That's it. Done.
Okay, I know already.
Okay.
Yes, I know.
Okay, right. Okay, we open the question for some others, right? Any other questions? Mr. Iqbal, do you have any questions? Mr. Iqbal is one person from India, always in touch with me. He's still sending message. I don't know his upline is home, but I'm still supporting him. He knows about it. Yes, Mr. Iqbal, any question?
Tamil is best way, sir. Tamil is best way.
Okay, Tamil phone le pesiko sir. Nandri sir. Okay, any other question?
Question.อะไรกันเนี่ยอะไรสะHello. Injano.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Andy Thomas. All right, please unmute yourself, Mr. Andy Thomas.
Okay, hi, bro.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, actually, I'm from Malaysia. Okay, but currently in Singapore. All right. Okay, I think I'm actually one of your downlines, but I couldn't get the chance to actually talk to you.
Okay, super.
So I'll take this opportunity to Arjuna.
Arjun. Okay, super.
Yeah. Okay, my question is about the 77 days, the level 1, level 2, level 3, right? Okay, so currently, when I log in into my Mindtree, I can see my level 1 balance is around 60 plus. My level 2 is around, more than around 70. So what will happen once, let's say now I'm in level 4 or level 3, okay. My level 1 is expiring, meaning back to zero days. So according to my understanding, we have to put again the 0.07 Ethereum to our uplines, right? Okay, so if let's say we are in level 3 and our level 1 is expiring, we will automatically go to level 1 or how How does that
No,
work?
no. You see, very simple.
Okay.
Whichever you are level, we reach whatever level you reach, you'll be there. All right? You understand? For instance, you reach already level 4, right? But level 4, maybe say, for instance, you have about 60 days. But level 3, we maybe have maybe about 56 days. That's definitely lesser than it. Same goes to level 2. Maybe you have about 20 days. Maybe level 1, maybe 10 days. For instance, I'm telling. So whenever the 10 days expire, you just have to renew back the same levels. So that means the level 4 you already reached, you already in the level 4. Say for instance, after level 4, you never renew. You already, the system is inactive. After 2 years, you come back again, you activate, still you'll be in level 4. You understand or not? That's why that's what we call blockchain. Blockchain doesn't kick out anybody. You got it? So that means you'll be there.
So this just to be sure, let's say because from us we can see our downlines. They are level 1, 2, 3, or 4. So if let's say as what you say, if I'm in level 4, okay, and I didn't pay my level 1 after the 77 days expired, how will my upline know that I pay or never pay? That means let's say my 2 upline, I don't know, higher than me maybe, or 3 upline, because in the 3 it will only show 4, right? Because our current level is 4. But just that, as what you said, it will be
no,
the difference will be active
on the tree, you'll be seeing all your 6 level downlines.
All right.
Okay. And in the tree, you can see each level people in what level. You can see on that one circle is there. On the circle, will be right level 4, level 5, everything you can monitor. All right. So that's not a problem. See, even you are from level 6 people, under the level 6 people you want to monitor also can. What you got to do, you have to copy the ID or Ethereum address. From there, you go to our mindtree.org. When you go there, there'll be login, right? You paste the ID, put the captcha value.
Go under partners,
Preview mode. You check on preview mode, not under this one. You can check on any ID. See, if I can give my ID, you can go and check it. Under me, how many people is there? Because this is a blockchain. That's what, again, I'm telling you, anybody can view anybody's account because this is a transparency. Just that you cannot do anything to it. That's a preview mode only. If I want to access into my account, I need to, if I go via my wallet, then only I can do the transaction and everything. Other than it,
the upgrade and all this kind of stuff.
Yeah, so other than it, preview mode, you can preview anybody's account. So you can read the tree very clearly. If you see from level 6, after the level 6, again another level 6 who's growing, everything you can watch. Okay, doesn't matter, Mr. Andy Thomas, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Andy Thomas, doesn't matter. Okay, if you want more information about it, since Arjunan always is in touch with us, you can take my number from Arjunan. I can guide if you got any question, I can advise you. All right?
Perfect. I think I will give you a direct call. It's much more easier.
Yes, exactly. Since you are in Singapore, so we're in touch personally, okay? All right.
Sure, no problem.
Any other question? Thanks, Mr. Andy Thomas.
Sure.
Okay, guys, any other questions? Okay, sorry, 9:31. If no more questions, I'm going to end this session now. Any questions? All right. Okay, all right. I don't think so. There's any other questions. Thank you for that commitment you have given. So today I've seen 38 people until the end. Normally I'll see only 20 people. Normally, because even I never give any talk or any presentation, I'll be there in the meeting. So that's what I'm telling every day, guys, is right. This meeting, okay, business opportunity meeting, it's basically only for only for you. All right, there's in Malayalam, in Kannadam, in Telugu, in English, in Hindi, name it, any language. There's so many languages. Try to get the information from your upline. Send your prospects, okay, the downline partners, whoever you think they're gonna, your good prospects, send in for this kind of meetings where the ice breaking, the initial ice breaking, we will do that. We'll explain. Today, see how I explain that, like why everybody will do in Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, whatever language, Kannada. So there are people are explaining. So what your job will be easier, all right? When your job is easier, that's it. The next thing you just go into that, start making Ethereum, all right? With that, I will end today's session. Thank you very much for joining. See you guys. Bye-bye.